We are at Dog's Grave campsite, which is awesome. The hut was fantastic last night. It's a really good campsite. There's a creek down there with beautiful mountain water in it. The hut is pretty well set up. Yeah, pretty basic, but it's a nice hut. That's why I can't keep up with them. I'm not eating enough lollies. We are about to head off and heading in towards Omeo, about 40 k's, and then off to the wilderness retreat for the night, hopefully is a plan. So we're a little bit ahead of schedule, which is bloody awesome. Means easier days ahead than yesterday. Because last night was something else. Pretty much I was so tired I couldn't ride my bike almost. On anything but completely flat roads, and I couldn't ride up any hills. But we got here eventually at, I don't know what time it was. Yeah, 10 or 11 o'clock at night. We got up to finish the climb up to Dog's Grave campsite. It's a big hill out of Dargo, really big hill. Just goes up and up and up, and it's just relentless. And it is actually a dog's grave here. That is the dog's grave, which is a bit cool. An ode to man's best friend. And then down this way we have the river. Nice little campsites just here by the river. And you come down here and there's a little posy to get your water. How good is that? Body's feeling alright, quads are a bit tight, glutes are a bit tight, and had a pretty broken sleep last night, but I guess you expect that when you ride till 11:30 at night. Went to bed about 12:30 in the hut. And we are about ready to head off. Everyone else has cruised off. We're dawdling, but that's alright. Day 6 of the hunt is coming right at you now. The reality of the hunt is pretty much you spend your day riding up hills. A pretty piece of gravel. Victorian high country is just such a special place. Why order one meal when you can order two? Ready to roll for 50 k's up to the wilderness retreat this afternoon. Getting all the essentials on board. Jack Daniels, bananas, apples, protein bars. Right Tim, you ready? Grinding on up. Phew. Going good though. This climb's pretty nice actually. Look at the scene. Thanks for watching so far. I hope you're enjoying this series. If you like these videos, please
hit the like button down below and subscribe if you'd like to see more content created by me, and chuck us a comment. What else can I say? Thanks for watching. I love making these things, so getting out, and it kind of distracts me from the pain, which is a good thing sometimes. So many wildflowers out here at the moment. There's these awesome purple ones, I can't find them now. There they are. I love the high country. I love it so much. Hard work, but my god, the views and the places you get to go see. So cool. Another 15 k's or so to go to the wilderness retreat. Just been enjoying that last ride down there. It was just nice and easy, cruising along about 15 to 20 k's an hour, not working too hard. Almost there. 3.4 k's or something to go. That would be day 6 done and dusted. Good job. Glen Wills, here we are. Ew. As always, the last few k's of the day are always pretty tough for me. Day 6 done. We're ahead of schedule by about 50 k's, which is nice. Let's book into the retreat.